A 9-year-old boy was rescued from near certain death in Jammu and Kashmir's Rajouri district after getting trapped in a river while grazing cattle amid sudden flash floods. It took almost 3 hours for the army, the SDRF, local police and the divers there to actually rescue that boy. A military chopper was finally used to lift the child to safety. In fact, officials watched on in awe as they managed this miracle. Now, this one rescue really underscores the full-blown crisis that's unfolding across North India. In Jammu and Kashmir, heavy rains has triggered a massive landslide near Kalai in Poonch, blocking the Jammu-Poonch highway and bringing traffic to a standstill. Schools in both Poonch and Rajouri have been shut. Two rivers, Darhali and Sakto, are rising fast. In fact, it's rising to dangerous levels. In Race, all gates of the Salam Dam have been now opened up to release excess water from Chenab. Authorities have urged people near these river banks to stay alert and indoors. Markets in Pir Panjal remain submerged. The BRO is now working non-stop in Kotranka, Samot and Budhal to restore roads and drain the floodwaters. Next door in Himachal, let's have a look in Himachal. The destruction is even worse since June 20th. At least 135 lives have been lost in Himachal, 76 due to rain-triggered disasters like landslides, cloudbursts, flash floods. Another 59 have died in rain-related accidents. 430 roads are still blocked in Himachal Pradesh. Over 500 transformers are down, nearly 200 water schemes have collapsed. Districts in Himachal like Kangra, Mandi, Kulu, Chamba are all reeling. Flash floods, landslides, cloudbursts. The nature is unleashing terror in Himachal from all directions. More than 540 homes have been destroyed. Over 1,200 livestock has been lost. Nearly 1.24 lakh crore worth of losses to the state exchequer. This is a crisis of scale in Himachal, a region that's been battered by the nature, but at this point, no sign of relief.